welcome to GV's Little World. Today I am going to try an experiment. Come, let's start. In this video I am going to try water fountain experiment. First I am going to take a water bottle. I have put a hole in it. I am going to place a straw in the hole. Next I am going to place tape so the straw would not move. Next I am going to fill the bottle with water. Then I am going to blow a balloon and place it on the top of the bottle. The water will start to flow from the straw. The water started to flow from the straw. The balloon gives pressure to the water. The straw also gives pressure to the water, so the water flows out from the straw. Now our water fountain experiment is done. You can also try this. If you like this video, like, share. For more videos, subscribe to GV's Little World. Thanks for watching. Bye.